Hi guys, today we're going to be doing the magic egg floating experiment. So this experiment shows us how adding salt into water increases the density of the water, causing your egg to float. Before we begin, make sure that you have your parent to download the form and fill it in and then send a signed consent form to us. All instructions given on the Science Digest Pakistan website. Then you can begin your experiment. You have to tell your name, your school name, and your grade. And make sure not to use any harmful chemicals, and please do your experiment under parent supervision. So now we're going to start our experiment. First, we're going to take our egg and only add it into fresh water. Let's see what's going to happen. Oh no, the egg sank. Now it's on the bottom. Let's see what's going to happen if we add in salt into water. Now we're gonna mix it. Mix it really good. Now we're gonna take our egg and we're gonna add it in. Let's see what's gonna happen now. The egg's floating. Now we're gonna see what happens if we add in salt. And mix it. Let's add in one more. Mix it really good. Now we're gonna add in our egg. It's floating. Now we're gonna see what happens if we add in some more fresh water. The egg's not floating or sinking. The egg's right in the middle. It looks like the egg's in space. Thank you for watching, and this was our magic egg floating experiment. Make sure to send your experiment really fast, because for the winner there's going to be a 10,000 rupees prize. Bye! Thanks for watching.